Hi friends, in this video I am going to tell you all how much I spent for my garden for growing all these plants. So if you see, these are my tomato plants, brinjal plants, another brinjal plants pot, and there is a chili plants, and here are my beans plants, chilies, my cucumbers, it's amarnath, and my curry leaves, and so many tomato plants. And here is my cucumber pot as well as ridge guard, and here are my curry leaves, and here are some greens, and if you see there I have zucchini, beans, I have potato, I have taro, mint, and some flower plots. And if you see here, this is another bigger pot which has lot of gongura, brinjal tomato plants, and cucumber plants, again brinjal plants, and that is my cucumber plants, and here are my taro plants. So what I want to say you all is, I didn't spend even single rupee for making this garden. I have purchased my pots 3 years back, and I didn't buy any soil this year. So without soil, how I am growing? I have made my own soil with my last year old soil and my fruits and vegetable pails, and I use that soil for keeping my pots. So, and I have used all my last year seeds which I collected from my last year plants. So without spending even single rupee for my seeds as well as for my soil, I am growing this much of plants. So what I want to say you all is, please start making your own compost and start growing vegetables in your home. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more gardening inspiring videos. Thank you all.